It is no secret that the world is facing a plastic crisis.
Plastic pollution, that's the Earth's major concern. The green planet is polluted in plastic pollution, litter, plastic here and plastic there.
Polyethylene, therefore also known as PET, is one of the most common plastics in the world. PET is used to make soda bottles, space blankets, blister packs, food containers, shirts, and dresses.
Its extreme durability, however, has rendered it a long term environmental burden. Amidst this global issue on plastic waste, in March 11, 2016, researchers led by Kohi Oda from Kyoto University in Japan discovered a strange bacteria that might help solve the problem. They call it ideonella sakiansis.
Ideonella sakiansis. Ideonella sakians is a bacteria from genus Ideonella and family Comomonodaceae and a class beta protozoum bacteria which directly feeds on PET. How does it work? Polyethylene terracotate is made up of ethyl glycol and polyethylate, which comes together through a process of polymerization.
To eventually form PET, which is made up of linked chains of monohydroxyterephthalate. Ideonella saccharomyces works by secreting enzymes known as PETase and MHETase. PETase splits certain chemical bonds in PET into smaller form of monohydroxyterephthalate, and MHETase breaks down MHET, leaving smaller molecules, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid, that the bacteria can absorb using the carbon in them as food source through hydrolyzation process. Alternatively, the resulting monomers can be used for a new round of PET synthesis.
Under optimal conditions, enzymes can work faster and more efficiently.
So far, we saw about Ideonella sakiensis. Now let's see what we found with Ideonella to make our world a better place to live in. Yeah, that is a magical box in which we are going to grow and feed it plastic and make a plastic-free world. We are going to insert plastic into this mission, and Ideonella, which is going to grow and feeds on this plastic, decomposes it. We made to suit the optimal conditions required to make it quick and complete. We also have a shredder into this which shreds the plastic into its required size for Ideonella to eat it and digest. And this will grow it into sand medium and that has nutrition required for it to grow in its optimal conditions. And for it to have a better place to grow, we have kept a vibrator to support its growth. Eventually, India's optimal temperature is our bacteria's optimal temperature too. When it feeds in it, it takes only 7 weeks. This can be kept in every home to make it a plastic-free home. We'd love to work with government, NGOs to replace all the dustbin into a magic box. With breakthrough enzymes like PETase and metase, recycling can truly happen. It may take a while, but continuing research of the best mode of plastic degradability can dramatically decrease microplastic problems, and through the use of bacteria like Ideonella saccharomyces and recycling PETs is possible. Together, we can form a sustainable world in which Team Zenith join us in discovering bioscience and saving the world.